Welcome back as we move on to discuss the term or word round. Most machinery that you'll come across will have many round parts. Things like pulleys, gears, bearings, rollers, and many other parts have to be made round. When an engineer makes something that is round, it will be perfectly round. And this is mostly done by machining the work on a machine called a lathe. We can draw a round shape easily on paper by using an instrument called a compass. The shape we have drawn is called a circle. All circles have a center, which is the point where the one compass leg stayed fixed on the paper. The distance between the two compass legs, or points, is called the radius of a circle. The radius of a circle is always measured from the center point. The distance across a circle is called the diameter. A diameter is always twice the radius. If we make the radius smaller by closing the compass legs, we will end up making the diameter smaller too. This component is called a shaft, and it has been machined on a lathe. This particular shaft has 5 different steps in it, which are in fact 5 different diameters. Shaft sizes are always measured according to their diameters and overall length. Diameters are measured using instruments called calipers, and you will learn how to do this in another program. Sometimes you may notice that a part that is supposed to be round is not. Like this bicycle's wheel. You can see that it bumps, which means that it is not running true. The word true is often used by engineers to describe accuracy in a part that turns, such as a wheel or a hub. A wheel or a shaft runs true when it is perfectly round. Special instruments called dial test indicators are used to check whether or not a shaft, wheel, or a coupling is running true. You will learn how to use these instruments as you progress in your training. During this program, we have explained the words flat, straight, level, square, and round, and showed you some of the instruments used to check these basic conditions. You must get used to these terms, as they will often come up again as you learn more and more important skills during your period of training to become a good artisan or tradesperson.